I heard out, but didn't say it with any enthusiasm, so I didn't react. No, when she needs to do that, she sits by the door, Jacob said. Oh, right, I've seen her do that, Maya said. I just leave my back door open a lot of the time, so she can come and go. They were silent for a bit. I eased into the kitchen, but as usual, the floor was anticipate. It was clean, free of anything edible. I hear you're taking disability, Maya said. Yeah, well, I've been shot twice in 5 years. That'd be enough for anybody, Jacob replied with a dark laugh. You'll be missed, Maya observed. I'm not leaving town. I've enrolled at UCLA. Guys, don't, not so fast. Mine's not. Full time, I only have a year and a half left for my law degree. There was another silence.
They were spinning it fast.
A tiny signal of distress came off Maya, something I'd noticed before when others tried to talk to Jacob. And instead, wound up sitting there without saying anything. Something about him made people uncomfortable.
One more time.
So when are you up for certification, Jacob asked. I picked a neutral spot on the floor between the two of them and lay down with a sigh, unable to figure out what was going to happen. 2 weeks, but Maya trembled. But Jacob promised. I'm thinking of resigning from the program, Maya confessed.
Oh, I was already.
I just can't keep up. I didn't realize, well, someone else would probably be better. You can do that, Jacob said.
Come on, Caleb.
Looked at him curiously, wondering why he was feeling angry. You can't keep switching handlers on a dog.
Come on.
Ellie is the best dog anyone has ever seen. You dump her like that, you could ruin her. Wally says the two of you have a rapport. I thumped my tail a little at my name, Wally being mentioned by Jacob, but his tone was still very stern. I'm just not cut out for it physically, Jacob, Maya said. I could feel anger stirring in her too. I'm not an ex-Marine, guys. Get off the phone. I'm not an ex-Marine. I'm just a beat cop who can barely pass the physical every year. I've been trying, but it's just too hard. Too hard? Jacob glared at her until Maya shrugged and looked away. Her anger turned to shame, and I went over